Picture this. You're at the checkout counter, groceries bagged, confident you've got plenty in your bank account. You tap your card. Declined. Confused, you try again. Insert card, carefully type the PIN. Declined. The cashier's staring. People behind you are sighing. Embarrassed in front of everyone, you call your bank on the spot. Declined. Declined. The bank says your card's been blocked for fraud protection. You verify your identity, but they still won't let you access your own money. Luckily, you had another card, but what if you didn't? What if you were overseas stranded? Why does the bank get to decide when or if you can spend your money? This may or may not have happened to you, but it happened to me 3 times, with 2 different banks. And when I finally dug into the law, what I uncovered was shocking. A friend once warned me, the money in your account isn't really yours, it legally belongs to the bank. At first I brushed it off, but when I saw the legal truth with my own eyes, I realized he was right. Here's the reality. The moment you deposit money in the bank, it stops being legally yours. What you really hold instead is just an IOU from the bank. In a crisis, that IOU can be frozen, converted, or even seized. In this first episode, I'll show you why the money in your account isn't really yours, and the first steps you can take to protect yourself.
This is episode 1 of a brand new 10-part series, Your Money in the Bank Isn't Yours. Here's the deal. The more people like these videos, the faster we'll release the next episodes. And alongside each episode, we'll reveal one of the 10 best books on financial freedom, books that shaped our subscribers' journey and that we believe are absolutely bang on the money. By the end of the series, you'll have the full list, a roadmap of the most powerful ideas ever written about money and independence. Subscribe so you don't miss a single episode.
So how do you protect yourself from the money trap? Here are 5 simple but powerful steps. 1. Keep an emergency stash of cash and at least 1 backup card in a separate place. 2. Spread your funds across multiple banks or a credit union so one freeze doesn't lock you out. 3. Use different account types or custodial arrangements for larger sums. 4. Know your deposit insurance limits and document exactly who owns each account. 5. Stay vigilant, enable alerts, keep paper records, and check your accounts regularly. Protecting your access to cash is about planning, not paranoia. Start with these 5 steps today, and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. But here's the part most people never think about. While your money sits in the bank, it isn't just resting. Banks put it to work. They lend it out, invest it, and generate profits from it. And what do you get in return? In many cases, worse than nothing. For the privilege of holding a bank account, most banks don't pay interest on current accounts. Savings accounts typically offer only token interest, often around 0.5% per year or even less, while real inflation can range anywhere from 2% to 10%, sometimes higher depending on your country and economic conditions. That means the purchasing power of your money is silently shrinking year after year. That's why leaving money in a current account, or even in a low-yield savings account, is a terrible idea. On top of this, some banks even charge account fees, often marketed as premium or privileged services. But the supposed benefits rarely exceed the cost. The truth is, in today's digital world, there's little justification for charging monthly or yearly fees just to hold your money safely. Current accounts and even business accounts could and should be free of charge. In episode 2, I'll reveal exactly how banks use your money while you sleep, and why they never tell you. You won't want to miss it. And remember, the more people like this video, the faster we will release the next episode. For this episode, the first book in the Financial Freedom series is The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Clear, practical, and perfect for beginners. The link can be found in the video description below. This is just the start. In episode 2, I'll reveal not only how banks secretly use your money while you sleep, but also the next book on the path to financial independence. Subscribe so you don't miss it.